Yo, what's up guys, MLTV here, and welcome to setting off fireworks live in my room.
Whoa, fuck off! Nah, chill. Oh.
Then watch out!
Bro, what the fuck? Jesus Christ! Oh fuck.
Start out with a little test. Fuck, that's loud. Smells like smoke. That's fireworks for sure. We're gonna smoke out my entire room. Took the smoke detector out. This is not all we have, by the way. This is just getting started.
I feel the stars are mine. They're bright in every kind. I feel the stars
Ah, that burned.
they're bright in every kind.
Oh god, it's about to blow up. It's about to blow up, I already know it. Oh, fuck. We're gonna twine these together.
I feel the stars are mine. They're bright in every kind. I feel the stars are mine.
Oh shit!
They're bright in every kind. I feel the stars are mine.
Ah, we're good. Crazy! Fuck! That's crazy. I'm gonna crack the window open too, but I'm trying to push how far I can go before I open the window. Crazy! Alright. I like this part. Oh shit! I closed it. Oh fuck. Yo, how do I only have 2 viewers? I'm setting off fireworks in my fucking room. Alright, now we're gonna do another one of those sticks, but we're gonna do it right in front of the monitor so you guys can see it. 'Cause that shit was kind of crazy. And there's a lot of smoke. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit!
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, shit! You guys know I'll do crazier shit than anybody, so please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star.